crazy game. So we are seeing Unity right now, the Unity documentation, and to build these kind of games we are using HTML5 and obviously Unity. For example, we're gonna see this Bullet Force game, video game that we play in the previous video, and this is pretty much in this crazy games. There's some games that all of these games you can play online. Okay, so we are gonna check out the Bullet Force. The rating, okay, so you can see the rating. This is the developer, Blaze Games, so this is the author of this game. It was released in 2016, and again the technology HTML5 along with Unity WebGL, and we already saw a little bit of an introduction of WebGL. So we also have some the platforms, the browser, desktop, iOS, Android. So we have some, let me see, some information here. The Bullet Force is an amazing multiplayer FPS game with great 3D graphics. Create a room with a maximum number of players, public or private, etc. to join one and start shooting. Purchase weapons and extensions such as deadly machine guns and RPGs. Not to mention the awesome abilities that can only be used after the get kill streaks. Go show the skills and become the Bullet Force champion. So the developer, Bullet Force multiplayer, is developed by Blaze Games. So this is the name of this person, Lucas Wild. The skins were created from images from the freepik.com. So this is the release date, the platform. Bullet Force available as a PC game and on the crazy game using WebGL as an Android app. The features, so for example we have the multiplayer mode against other players worldwide and practice mode to play against bots, last updated. So the controls, we see that we have the WASD to move. So WASD stands for the keyword W to move upwards, the key A to move towards your left, the S to move backwards, and D to move towards your right. So we have the space to jump. And let me see if we go here into, this is the game. It's already pretty much already to playing. But if I click here in display game controls, as you can see we have the WASD functionality, WASD. We have the space to jump. We also have here well, if you're using a mouse, so the 1 would be to shoot, 2 would be to zoom, and 3 to be to change weapons. So that is if you're using a mouse. If you're just using your finger, you just click on your board. So that's what we have here so far. To move, okay, so we have that. To shift, okay, so for example if you press the keyword W and then you at the same time press shift, instead of just moving forward you're just gonna stay running forward. So we have P to pause the game, we have enter to respawn, we have G to throw a grenade, E to pick up a gun once you eliminate a target, another enemy combatant, F to use a knife, R to reload, C to crouch, 2 to change weapon, and then we have the kill streaks. And then we have also the tab, so you click tab and you can see your score, who your allies and who your enemies are. So I'm gonna go here and into my armory crate. Since we are gonna be using this game, I'm gonna be using the turbo mode. So right now I am in, let me see, performance, so I'm gonna use turbo. It's gonna become a little noisy, but that's fine. Okay, so let's start playing this game again. So let's see what we can do. So let's click here, play game, and we're gonna choose, I'm gonna click here full screen, and I'm gonna choose team match, and by default let's set it to the US Canada. So it's gonna be team Alpha. You can choose team Bravo, team Charlie. Okay, so deploy. So let's see how it's right now. It's empty, so let me see. There's nobody here. Okay, so yeah, there's nobody here. I'm running right now. Let me see, I'm gonna continue running. Let me see. Yeah, I'm pretty much alone in this game right now, so nobody's playing here. Okay, that's kind of cool. So as you can see, we're the purpose of teaching you or showing you this video game is because we're gonna be eventually we're gonna build something different with, again, with Unity. Whoa, man, they got me out of nowhere. What the hell was that? Man, you guys to be kidding me, man. He joined the game. Man, he got me with a knife, man. Hey, man. Okay, so yeah, these dudes are from my team, so we need to kill the red ones. Hey, don't shoot me. Let me see. Hey, Jesus Christ. Okay, I already saw one. Yeah, I already saw. Let me see. Hey, chill out. Hey, relax, man, relax. No, that's my friend. That is okay. So I can see a couple of red ones. Let me see. They're gonna be right here. Ah, man. Okay, so they're almost there. Hey, chill out. Hey, chill out, man. I don't wanna shoot you. Okay, so I hear the Russians. Let me see. Okay, they're gonna be some. Okay, now that's my team. The blue ones are my allies, so the red ones are my enemies. So let me see. I've been running towards them, so maybe I'm just gonna wait for them to chill out and show up. Man, they're throwing a grenade. Hey, chill out, die, man, die. Hey, I killed this dude. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, he killed me. What the hell? No. What the hell? Let me see. Tap. Okay, I kill. Okay, so yeah, I killed the guy and they also killed me. So okay, the Russian avenged his friend. So man, I didn't see it, so okay, whatever. So I have one kill and somebody killed me, so damn it. You live by the sword, you die by the sword. Okay. And again, man, this is just a game, so don't take it so seriously. It's just video games. Oh man, I almost got this dude. What is my teammate? Oh man, yeah. Damn it! I got in the crossfire, man, so I just wanted to pick up the gun with the Control E, and they got me. Hey, no, this is my team, so yeah, it's kinda weird when they use different clothes. Yeah, this is my team as well, damn it. I just wanna shoot those dudes. Hey, okay, so I can see the red one. They're gonna be over here. Okay, let me see. Oh no, this is my friends as well. Damn it. You can also jump with the space, so I'm jumping. Damn it, I'm gonna just wait for someone here. Nah, that's a bad idea. Okay. Where the hell are those Russians? Hey, chill. What the hell are you shooting, man? There's nobody over there. Okay, well, let's see. Okay, let me see. Okay, I can see a Russian towards my left. Okay, there's a bunch of red ones, okay. Ah, man, he got me. Damn it. Okay, let me see. Okay, I have one kill and they kill me 3 times, so man, I suck in this game. Hey, chill out. Hey, know what? I'm down with this stuff, man. I'm not gonna let these dudes keep. Hey, die, man, die. Ah, man, he got me again. Man, I truly suck at this game. Yeah, let's give it a second chance. So. I don't know, man. I wanna throw some grenades or something. Okay. Again, that is gonna be with G. Okay, so now. Wait, damn, man! I wanted to pick up the gun. For trying to pick up the gun, the Russian got me. Okay, one final. The last one. Man. Ah, man. Yeah, forget. Hey, what the hell? There's no signal, so now I don't know where. Hey, man, I can only hear those dudes. Hey, shit, damn it. Oh, well, whatever. Oh, man, they got me. Okay.